Hello guys, I just want to say thank you for tuning into my video, and I just want to show you what it's all about if things did not work, when active track did not work, and how hard it is, especially doing a kiteboarding in this extreme weather. So thank you, and sorry I'm gonna have some language going on here, but I really appreciate it.
Wow, this is my story of the day. Woo! I gave up. You think I should give up? I'm gonna do one more. Last chance. I had to catch my own kite and also my drone. So it's very difficult to do this by yourself, but no one's out here, so I gotta do it all by myself. So it's not easy, but I'm trying. Woo! I'm trying. So that's good footage. Now my kite is down. Now I gotta get my drone. Woo, super crazy. I think I'm gonna say the hardest do active track. Because look at the stuff you have to go through just to get this going. It's crazy. Woo. See, it's not one of those things that you think you just ride a bicycle, but or a car or a boat or whatever. You see what I'm doing here? My line got messed up, so I gotta fix my line, but it's so windy. I used my Mavic, my Mavic Pro, Mavic Air, just to maintain the active track. I got an extra battery, but I can, because it's still new, the tracking is still not advancing yet. So I think DJI need to update the, I keep saying that because they do, because the Mavic Pro and the DJI Spark had that no issue anymore. It's been fixed, but now we have this guy on the table. So it still need to be updated. So now I got my line fixed, and then I got my drone up here. Oh man, my sand just got to my eye, and I got see how to deal with. So trying to see. return to fucking home. See that shit? Done! Done with this freaking kite. Get down! Woo! Up! Here's what we get. You see that, guys? You gotta make sure you caught it before. Woo! Before the wave takes it. Woo! And it's gonna shut off. Stop there. Bye! Woo! I tried, and I guess things are I don't know. Wow, it's crazy.